In this video, I'm going to talk about everything you need to know about the iPhone 12 cases on Merch by Amazon. Let's go! Hey everyone, thanks for watching this video. This is Juna with Detour Shirts, the channel all about helping you design and sell t-shirts online. In this video, I'm going to talk about iPhone 12 cases. Merch by Amazon just announced that they're going to be selling iPhone 12 cases. And so I'm going to teach you everything you need to know about the new iPhone 12 cases on Merch by Amazon. I'm going to show you where the announcement came from, the templates, how to add to it, and what it looks like when you're selling it. So let's go to Merch by Amazon right now so you can see what I'm talking about. So here we are on Merch by Amazon. You can see I'm on the dashboard right here. And here's the messages. So Merch by Amazon released this on the 10th of November, and I'm going to read it right here. We're excited to announce new cases for the iPhone 12, 12 Pro, iPhone 12 mini, and iPhone 12 Pro Max. Phone case artwork size will remain the same, but please read our facts and download the newest templates to verify artwork placement. New publishes and edits will automatically have the new models enabled, but we will begin the process of updating existing products to reflect the changes starting today. As each product is updated, its status will temporarily display as processing on the Manage page, during which it can neither be edited or deleted. So there's a lot going on here. I'll break it down for you. So first of all, there's 3 phone case sizes, the Pro, the Mini, and the Pro Max. So they're all different sizes, but the artwork for those phone cases will remain the same. So we don't have to change our sizes from the phone cases we designed before. There's going to be the same size that we designed before. They're just going to fit on there, okay? And I'll show you later in the video how they fit. They're going to size it down and size it up, and it's just going to make it work. So just like it says here, phone case artwork size will remain the same. But read our facts and download the newest template. So we're going to do that in a little bit to verify artwork placement. The next thing here, new publishes and edits will automatically have new models. So that means if you already have phone cases enabled, you will automatically get those added to your phone cases. You don't have to go in to create and select the new phone cases. It would automatically be added. So when someone searches for your phone case on Amazon, in the drop-down, there will be the iPhone 12 selections as well. So it says right here, they'll begin the process of updating the products. And so we will go into the Manage. In fact, I'll go there right now so you can see what they're talking about in Manage. So here I am in Manage for my phone cases. You can see my phone cases here, as well as it's being processed. So a lot of my phone cases are still in processing. That's what they're meaning. They're changing the drop down for these phone cases so that it will have the iPhone 12. So you can't edit or delete it right now when it's in processing, and that's fine. I don't need to do that right now anyway. So eventually after processing, it will all be ready, and then you can edit and delete. So let's go back to the dashboard now. So I want to go to this facts page right here. So by clicking on this facts, we can get to the templates for the iPhone 12. So I'm going to click that here. So you can see right here, iPhone case facts. It's still 1800 by 3200. And then the iPhone safe zone is a little bit bigger than the Samsung safe zone. But you can see here, it's not using, even though the 1800 by 3200 is this big, the iPhone cases are a lot smaller. So that's why even though some of the cases are bigger and some are smaller, it will still fit because it's going to wrap it. So you can see right here, this is kind of showing it the artwork. You can see this yellow is not even showing over here, and this darker color is not showing here. So that's how it can fit in the phone here. And this is the template as well. So you can see the safe zones. And this is kind of just showing you. And this is everything we had before with the other phones. So now all these phones are supported, including the iPhone 12 here. So some of the other things you can do here is download the template. So to see the template, we're going to click here. And here are all the templates for all the products on Merch by Amazon. But if we scroll all the way down, this is the template for the phones. and you can just see it's 1800 by 3200. If you haven't used this before, I'm going to download this Illustrator version and open it in Affinity Designer. So here we are on Affinity Designer. I opened up that template. You can see here, Merch by Amazon phone case template. It's showing you kind of the same thing we saw on the website, the 1800 by 3200 right here. So when I look at the specs, this is actually bigger than 1800 by 3200, but you get the idea if this is. So let me show you a phone case I did with the specs 1800 by 3200, just so you can see here. Just really simple, a pink with white polka dots. You can do anything, but patterns work really well, and I'll show you why. Let me select all of these here. I'll copy it, and then I'll put it here. And you can see how small that is. This is 1800 by 3200. I'm going to just size it up so you can see it on here. And that's by holding down Shift. And you can see the proportions are right on with the 1800 by 1300. So there's that. And I'm going to put it in the back so you can see right through it. So you can see right here how the template works. So this is the size of the artwork, and this is the size of the phone. This right here and this right here is the phone size. But the iPhone safe, what they mean is the pattern will show on the phone here, but if you want anything to be read or seen, this iPhone safe zone is the best place to put it because the camera is right here. And the Samsung safe zone is a little lower because their camera goes down like here. So that's what that's saying. If you want something, some kind of text to be read or some kind of graphic to be seen, make sure it's in the safe zone so it's not covered by the camera. So that's all it is. And so now we can upload this. So this is what you have on your template. I'm going to take this phone case and upload it to Merch by Amazon so that you can see the different sizes with the iPhone 12, where it gets cut off and why it's good to use a pattern. So we're back here on Merch by Amazon. I'm on the Create tab here. You can see with the t-shirts and the phone cases. I have the phone cases, the iPhone cases opened up with the details. So you can see right here, 12 mini, 12 Pro, 12 Pro Max. So the 12 and 12 Pro are the same size. The 12 mini obviously is different size, and the Pro Max is a lot bigger. So that's why it's doing it right there. So you can see 18, let's click on these. So 12 mini with the big camera, 12 Pro just a little bigger, and the 12 Pro Max even bigger. And let me show you what it looks like with our design on it so you can see the difference. I'm going to upload artwork. So here's my pink background with the white polka dots. You can see here on the 12 mini, look at the dots here just to get an idea. And the 12 Pro, you can see the difference here. The dots are a little bigger, and the 12 Pro Max even bigger. So that's kind of how they make it work. It still looks good on any one of these. And that's why patterns work really well, because no matter what size you pick here, the patterns still work really well. And it's that camera's not going to be covering anything. I mean, it's going to be covering part of the pattern, but the pattern continues throughout. So it's really good to do patterns on iPhone cases. A lot of my iPhone cases that are selling well are patterns, so just keep that in mind. So I like to mark them up to at least $17.99 to get $2 royalty. Some people like $19.99, that's a $4.29 or $4.28 royalty. Either way, I think that's a good deal for those. So that's how you do it. That's how you upload for the 12, 12 Pro, and 12 Pro Max. Pretty similar to what we had before. It's just the different sizes. And if you already have phone cases up, they'll automatically get these sizes. They'll either be in processing or they'll probably be done already. So that is it for iPhone 12 phone cases. Let me know in the comments if you have any other questions for these iPhone 12 cases. I hope they sell well. As more people buy the iPhone 12, they're going to want to look for cases, and probably on Amazon. So my tip for you is to just keep making patterns. Think about what people would like to pair your phone with, like, colors that people love. I think this is going to make a great stocking stuffer or something for Christmas. As people get new iPhones for Christmas, they're also going to want to get new iPhone cases. And of course, they'll probably go on Amazon. So good luck with selling iPhone 12 cases. Again, let me know in the comments if you have any other questions about iPhone 12 cases, and what do you think about it? Do you think it's a good idea that Amazon has them already and has them right now? And stay tuned for another edition of Trend Credits. Thanks for staying till the end for this Trend Credits. This Trend Credits is a little different. The trend here is Dragonfly Christmas Tree t-shirt. And you can see here, it's getting a lot of low BSRs, a lot of sales right now. Telling you this trend as an idea though. So of course, you don't want to copy the exact thing that they're doing here because having dragonflies make a tree, there's only so many ways you can do that. If you can do it in a new way where it's not so similar to this, go ahead and do it. You can see sometimes this one is really different and this one has a lot of different flight. So there's a few ways that you can make it look different than just these like this. But what I'm saying is you should also use this trend as an art idea. So you don't have to use dragonflies. You could use butterflies, you could use fairies, you could use anything with wings. You could use any animal actually to make a Christmas tree. So think of things you can use to make a Christmas tree. I think it will do really well. So the trend is dragonfly Christmas tree, but the idea is to make Christmas trees out of different things. So try Christmas trees out of different animals or cars or whatever, dog, you name it. So dragonfly, of course, is trending and it is doing really well. I think it will do really well with other things as well. So that's your trend for today, Dragonfly Christmas Tree shirt. Thanks so much for staying till the end. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and like if it gave you some value. And if you're not subscribed to this channel, please subscribe. Hit that subscribe button. And as always, guys, keep creating and keep learning. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.